This is Engineering 101. I'm Juan Hernandez.
I'm Leo Rocha.
I'm Velasco.
And we are the three Amigos. This is our Stirling Engine.
Alright, this is our Stirling engine. This is a simple soda can design. It's a little modified with a wood stand. Put aluminum on the bottom just so the wood won't burn. Keeps all the fire centered. You see our crank right there. Made out of spoke from a bicycle. Flywheel made from the CD. There's a diaphragm, balloon. And we're adding water to it so it can speed up. Alright, so now we're gonna take out the fire. Keeps on running without it. So the auto fire. Now we're gonna put it back on. And it keeps running. And that's our Stirling engine.